Morning students, last time we have studied how to determine the empirical formula. Today we are going to study how we are going to determine the molecular formula. This thing we have studied last time also, but we are going to study the another formula to find molecular formula. So what is molecular formula? You all know that the molecular formula of a compound denotes the actual number of atoms of different elements present in one molecule of compound. There are the steps to find the molecular formula. We have seen these steps last time. We'll revise this and then we are going to study the next part. So calculate, the steps are: first calculate empirical formula weight of the compound from empirical formula. Divide its molecular formula weight by its empirical formula weight, which gives the number n, which is number of atoms, and multiply the empirical formula by this number n, you get the molecular formula. So molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. N, or n, if you want to find this n is equal to molecular weight upon empirical formula weight. So this is the formula to find out the molecular formula by knowing the empirical formula and the n, that is number of atoms. It is a whole number always. So these steps we have already seen last time. Today we are going to study another formula to find the molecular formula. The first thing is molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. This is dependent. Today we are going to study the concept based on vapor density. Okay, so molecular mass is always 2 multiplied by vapor density. This 2 is a constant number, so you cannot change this 2. So molecular mass or molecular weight of a compound is calculated by multiplying vapor density into 2. Okay, so remember this formula, it is very important. Now when do we have to use this formula? When in the numerical, if vapor density is given, that time only you have to use this formula of vapor density. So molecular mass is always 2 multiplied by vapor density. Remember this. Now let's see the numerical. Is calculate the empirical and molecular formula of compound having the following percentage composition. Percentage composition of carbon is 26.59%, hydrogen is 2.22%, and oxygen is 71.19%. Its vapor density is 45. Now pay attention, your vapor density is given 45. So now we all know that we have seen this table while solving empirical formula numericals. So पहले क्या लिखना है? Elements. Which are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. What is their percentage composition? 26.59, 2.29. This is given to 71.19. Then you have to divide this percentage composition by atomic mass of the particular element. So carbon ka atomic mass is 12, hydrogen is 1, and oxygen is 16. So divide this by this atomic masses to a particular number, then you get this number of atoms. So this number of atoms here you get is 2.216. Number of atoms is never a decimal number, so we have to convert this into decimal number. So when you divide this percentage composition by atomic mass, you get these numbers. When you get these numbers, divide every number by the smallest number among 3. The smallest is which one among 3 is 2.216 is the smallest. 2.22 is not smallest. 2.216 is the smallest. So when you divide this all numbers by 2.216, you get your 1. Here you also get 1. Here you get 2. So carbon के कितने number of atoms हैं? 1. Hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 2. So empirical formula is CHO2. O2 is because oxygen is 2. CHO2 is the empirical formula. Now we know that molecular weight is N into empirical formula weight. So molecular weight is equal to, another formula is 2 into vapor density. So 2 into vapor density, see here 2 multiplied by vapor density is 45. So we get molecular weight. Molecular weight कितना मिला? 2 into vapor density 90. So molecular weight, substitute this value into this formula. Molecular mass is equal to N into empirical formula mass. So 90 is equal to N. We don't know N. We have to calculate the empirical and molecular formula both. Empirical formula मिल गया. अभी molecular formula कैसे find out करना है? That we are going to see. So let's see. Substitute this 90 is equal to N into empirical formula weight, empirical formula. So N into CHO2. CHO2 का weight क्या आता है? Empirical formula weight is 12 plus 1 plus 16 into 2, where N remains as it is. So 90 divided by 45, you get N. N is 2. So molecular formula is 2 into empirical formula. So 2 multiplied by CHO2 gives C2H2O4 as the molecular formula. Remember, this is a very important step and new concept using vapor density, how you can find the molecular formula. पहले molecular weight find out करो by multiplying 2 into vapor density. Using that molecular weight, find this N, where you get the N as 2, and multiply this N with the empirical formula, you get the molecular formula. So this is how you calculate the molecular formula using the vapor density and empirical formula weight of the compound. Now let's see the next numerical. 0.5 gram of an organic compound contains 0.062 gram of hydrogen and 0.25 gram of oxygen. Its vapor state, the compound weighs 32 times as heavy as the same volume of hydrogen. Determine the molecular formula. Now every organic compound, it contains carbon. तो यहाँ पे कार्बन नहीं दिया है, so we have to find the weight of carbon. So mass of carbon is equal to 0.5 gram is the weight of organic compound minus 0.262 is hydrogen and 0.25 is oxygen. So 0.5 minus 0.25, 0 plus 0.62. This remaining is 0.188 is the weight of carbon. Now find out the percentage composition. So elements given is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Mass is in grams, it is given 0.188, 0.062, 0.25. Divide this masses. Now here it is not percentage composition. So you can divide this mass with the atomic mass. You get the numbers. The smallest, choose the smallest number and divide with all the numbers by the smallest number, that is 0.016 is smallest. Divide all numbers by 0.016, you get 141. After that, when you get the number of atoms, so you get empirical formula is CH4O, because carbon is 1, hydrogen is 4, oxygen is 1, CH4O. Then molecular mass is 2 into vapor density. So vapor density given is 32. So 2 into 32 is 64. So N is molecular mass upon empirical formula mass. So molecular mass is 64 divided by empirical formula mass कितना आता है ये 12 plus 4 plus 16 which gives 32. So CH4O का empirical formula mass is 32. So 64 divided by 32 is 2. Divide molecular formula is 2 into empirical formula. So 2 multiply by this CH4O, it gives C2H8O2. This is the molecular formula of the compound. So please calculate and solve these numericals. I'll send the PDF of these numericals. You have to copy these numericals as it is for the assignment in your notebook. Okay.